You are going to love the 2018 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, bed liner, heated mirrors, daytime running lights, privacy glass, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.